Welcome to our JCB 51540 Volume 3 video. In this video, we're going to show you the machine loading a pallet into a pickup truck and into a van. Normally when you do this level of work, you're trying to drop that pallet with a forklift into the truck. If you don't have a reach, which most forklifts don't have, then you're probably going to place it down, back your forklift up, lift the pallet slightly, and push it into the bed. This often will damage the bed, ripping up liners, or could even damage the pallet. With the JCB 51540, we don't have this issue. We're able to telescope our arm out and gently place a pallet into the truck, not having to push and risk tearing up bed liners. Currently here, we're just showing you the turning radius of the JCB 51540. Just showing you what the small footprint the machine has. Here we are loading a 2,000-pound pallet of Envy blocks. The pickup truck we have here is a Ford 1500. As you can see, I'm able to telescope the arm out, move in nice and easy, and place this pallet gently down. I'm not even close to the bed. The forklifts usually, in this case, the mass is running up right against the tailgate, often damaging or sometimes hitting the tailgate, breaking the hinges. I have plenty of space where I don't have to worry about this, and I can easily place this pallet down and move out. In this scenario, we're loading a Ford 250 with a cap. Again, the beauty here is we don't have the interference of a mass running up against the bed gate or even the cap gate, possibly risking breaking the glass on the cap. We're able to easily maneuver and strategically place this pallet inside the bed of this truck with the cap attached. And finally, here we are loading another 2,000 pounds into our heavy-duty cargo van. The owner wanted the pallet pushed further up so he can empty out the blocks from the side door. With a forklift, this would have been a little difficult to get in there unless you had a reach on your forklift, which most of us don't have. Between the doors, the overhead limitation, and the bumper on the van, it could be a little difficult to push that pallet in there. We don't have this issue with the 51540. The arm extends further out, but we can go deeper into the van We do have a little more room where we could have, if needed, extended the arm further than what you see here and still maintain control of this 2,000-pound pallet. We're able to strategically place this pallet and move out nice and easy. Notice the distance between the tar and the bumper. We aren't even close to where we can damage this bumper. Forklifts, skid steers, and teletrucks all have their place in the market. But when you're faced with a situation where you need all three, contact farm-rite out in Calverton, Long Island, and get your JCB 51540 today.